Hello students, hope all of you are fine at your home. I am your math teacher Priya Sachar. Welcome you again in my online classes of 7th. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 8, percentage and its applications. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. But don't forget to write your name, class and section in the comment box for daily attendance. Let's start with quick recapitulation. Fractions. A number representing part of a whole, usually written as the ratio of a numerator and a non-zero denominator. For example, 1 upon 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 4. Here you can see these fractions are in the form of numerator and denominator. So these are fractions. Next topic is ratio. A ratio is a comparison or a relationship between two items. Here you can see 5 blue circles are there and 3 pink circles. So ratio of blue circles to pink circles will be 5:3. Next topic is decimals. A decimal is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or any power of 10. Here you can see decimal number 17.48. This 48 is called decimal part and 17 is called whole number part. Next topic is finding percentage of a quantity. If we have to find out 20% of 200, 20% of a quantity, that is 200. Then first remove percent sign. We will write 25 by 100. Of means multiply 200. So 25 by 100 into 200. When we will solve, 50% will be the answer. Next topic is if we have to express one quantity as a percent of the other quantity. For example, what percent is 30 out of 40? In that case, we will write 30 out of 40, 30 by 40. And we have to convert into percent, then multiply it by 100. When we will solve, 75% will be the answer. Next topic is conversion of a fraction into percentage. To convert fraction 3 by 5 into percentage, then again we have to multiply it by 100. 3 by 5 is a fraction, multiplied by 100. When we will solve, 60% will be the answer. Similarly, if we have to convert ratio into percentage, like for example 3:25. If we have to convert into percentage, then first convert into fraction form. 3 by 25 and then multiplied by 100. To convert into percentage, multiplied by 100. To remove percent sign, divided by 100. So here 3 by 25 into 100 will be 12%. Okay. Topic is conversion of a decimal into percentage. If we have to convert any decimal number into percent, again we have to multiply it by 100. So 0.25 into 100 will be 25%. Now next topic is conversion of a percentage into fraction. If we have to convert any percent into fraction, then first we have to remove percent sign. Then we have to divide it by 100. Like 25%, if we have to convert into fraction, then 25 by 100. When we will solve, 1 by 4 will come. Right? Next topic is conversion of a percentage into ratio. If we have to convert any percent number into ratio, then again just remove percent sign. Then we have to divide it by 100. So 75%, if we have to convert into ratio, 75 by 100 we will write, and when we will simplify, 3 by 4 will come. That is in the form of fraction. Right? Now we have to convert into ratio, then we will write 3:4. So 3:4 will be the answer. Now last topic is conversion of a percentage into decimal. If we have to convert any percent number into decimal, then again we will divide it by 100. So here 25% we will write as 25 by 100, and when we will convert into decimal number, it will be 0.25. Now come to chapter 8, percentage and its applications, exercise 8A, first numerical, that is find. To find first part, 12% of 120. So in that case, 12% of 120, first we have to remove this percent sign. So when we will remove, we have to divide it by 100. Of stands for multiplication, right? So it will be 12 by 100 into 120. Now solve numerator and denominator, 0 to 0 cancel. 12 into 12 will be 144 by 10. And answer will be 14.4, right? Now similarly fourth part, 1 by 2% of 10. So again just remove this percent sign, then we have to divide it by 100. So we will write 1 upon 2 into 100, right? 100 should be multiplied with 2 in denominator into 10. Now solve numerator and denominator, 0 to 0 cancel, 1 upon 20. When we will divide 1 by 20, 0.05 will be the answer. Clear? Now seventh part, 36.5% of 156 liters. Again remove this percent sign, then we have to divide it by 100. When we will remove decimal, 10 to be increased with 100. So it will be 365 by 1000. Of stands for multiplication, 156 liters. So when we will simplify, 365 into 156, when we will multiply numerators, 56,940 will come upon 1000. 0 to 0 cancel. 5,694 by 100 liters. We will solve 56.94 liters will be the answer. Right? Now 8th part, 35% of rupees 500. So here again remove this percent sign, then we have to divide it by 100. 35 by 100 will come. Of means multiply rupees 500. Zeros to zeros cancel. 35 into 5 is 175. So answer will be rupees 175. Clear? Now sum number 2. What percent is? First part, 110 of 440. So in that case, what percent is? In that case, we have to multiply it with 100. When we have to find out any quantities, we have to convert into percentage or we have to find out into percentage, then we have to multiply it by 100. So what percent is 110 of 440? So it will be 110 by 440 into 100, right? Simplify, 0 to 0 cancel, 11 ones are, 11 fours are, 100 by 4, when you will solve, 25 will be the answer. Clear? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 10, 4 fives are 20. So 25 will be the answer. Similarly, second part, 5.5 of 165. So in that case, 5.5 by 165 into 100, right? So remove decimal, then 0 to be increased in denominator. When we will simplify, answer will be 10 by 3%. Convert into mixed fraction, it will be 3 whole 1 by 3%, right? Now sum number 3, first part. Find the number if 15% of the number is 75. In that case, we have to let the number be x. So 15% of x is 75. This will be the equation. 15% of the number we have let as x. So 15% of x is 75, equals to 75. Now simplify. 15, when we will remove this percent sign, percent means per 100, so we have to divide it by 100. Of stands for multiply, x is equals to 75. Now transpose 15 by 100, from left hand side to right hand side, we have to multiply 75 with 100 and 15 we have to divide, right? So 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, 5 into 100 is 500. So that means the number is 500. Clear? Now sum number 4. Convert the following fractions into percentage. Now again we have to convert into percentage. Then we have to multiply it by 100. So fraction is 28 by 60. So to convert into percentage we have to multiply it by 100. Right? Simplify, 0 to 0 cancel, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. 28 into 5 will be 140 by 3. So 140 by 3 convert into mixed fraction. Answer will be 46 whole 2 by 3%. Right? Similarly, the second part, 8 by 35 is the fraction and we have to convert into percentage. Then we have to multiply it by 100. Now cancel out with 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10, 0. 8 into 20 will be 160 by 7%. Convert into mixed fraction. It will be 22 whole 6 by 7%. Right? Now sum number 5. Express the following percentages as fraction. Now we have to convert percent into fraction. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction, right? Into improper fraction. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26 by 5%. Then we will remove this percent sign. So to remove this percent sign, we have to divide 5 with, we have to divide it by 100. So 5 into 100 we will write in denominator and numerator remain 26. Now cancel out numerator with denominator. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 0. So 13 by 50 into 5 will be 250. So answer is 13 by 250. Right? It is in fraction form. Clear? Numerator upon denominators form. So third part, 0.025%. So again, to convert into fraction, first we have to remove this percent sign, then we have to write upon 100, right? When we will remove decimal, then after decimal there are 1, 2, 3 places. So 3 zeros we have to increase. So we have to multiply denominator with 1000, right? Now 25 ones are, 25 fours are 100. Cancel out numerator and denominator. It will be 1 by 4000. Right? This is the fraction form. Clear? Now sixth numerical. Convert the following ratios into percentage. So again, ratio is given 15 is to 90. So first convert this ratio into fraction form, 15 by 90, and then we have to do the same process which we have done in fifth numerical. Multiplied by 100, simplify, 0 to 0 cancel, 15 and upon 9 cancel out with 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 into 10 is 50 by 3%, right? Now convert this percent. This is in improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. So answer will be 16 whole 2 by 3%, right? Now similarly third part, 16 is to 25. So first convert this ratio into fraction form, then multiplied it with 100 because we have to convert into percentage. To convert into percentage, multiply it by 100. To remove percent sign, then we have to divide it by 100, right? So here 16 by 25 into 100 will come. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 16 fours are 64. So answer will be 64%. Clear? Now seventh numerical. Express the following percentage as ratios. Third part, 0.040%. Now this percentage we have to convert into ratio, right? So first remove this percent sign, then we have to divide it by 100. So 0.040 by 100, then remove decimal, then after decimal 3 places are there, then we have to increase 3 zeros in denominator. So 100 into 1000 will come. 40 by 100 into 1000, when we will solve, 0 to 0 cancel out, 4 ones are 4, 25 times 100 will cancel out, and 1 upon 2500 will come. So this is in fraction form. We have to convert into ratio, right? So don't leave your answer till here. We have to convert into ratio. So answer will be 1 is to 2500. 1 is to 2500. Clear? Now fourth part. 3 whole 3 by 5% is equals to, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. So 18 by 5%. Now remove percent sign, then we have to divide it by 100. Right? So it will come 18 by 5 into 100. 100 will be multiplied with the denominator with 5. Right? Cancel out, 2 9s are 18. 2 5s are 10, 0. So 9 upon 250 will come. 9 upon 250, this is in fraction form, convert into ratio. So answer will be 9 is to 250. Clear? Now 8th numerical, convert the following decimal numbers into percentage. Now these numbers are decimal numbers. If we have to convert into percentage, then we have to multiply it by 100. So first part is 0.25. To convert into percentage, multiplied it by 100. So 0.25 into 100. When we will multiply, answer will be 25%. Similarly, second part, 35.7. So when we have to convert into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100. So 35.7 into 100. When we will do, answer will be 3570%. Right? Now, 9th numerical, express the following percentages as decimal numbers. Now we have to convert percentage into a decimal number. First part, 75%. To remove percent sign, because we have to convert into decimal number, so we have to remove this percent sign. So we have to divide it by 100. Right? So it will be 75 by 100. So convert into decimal number. When we will solve, 0.75 will come. In denominator, 2 zeros are there. So in numerator, from right hand side, 2 places we have to count, 1, 2, and then we have to put decimal. That we have done in decimal chapter, right? So 0.75 will come. Similarly, fourth part, 5 whole 1 by 4%. So first convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. It will be 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 4%. Now remove percent sign. Then we have to multiply 100 with its denominator. Right? 21 by 4 into 100 will come. We have to divide it, this fraction 21 by 4 by 100. Right? So it will come 21 by 4 into 100. Right? Here I have solved 21 by 4 first. So when we will divide 21 by 4, then 5.25 will come. Right? And divided by 100, then here in denominator 2 zeros are there. So decimal we have to shift 2 places from right hand side. So 1 and 2 places, for we have to increase 1 0 and then put decimal. So answer will be 0.0525. Right? Now from exercise 8A, those numerical which I have marked as homework, you have to do as home task in your classwork notebook, right? If any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of today's work is also available in description below. Okay, bye bye, take care.